limited only. Okay, so we'll see what is this mobile computing, right? So mobile computing, mainly everyone familiar with this mobile facility. Everyone are going to be using these mobiles in their day-to-day life, right? So that this mobile computing, it will be establishing a communication between the two different users or the n number of the users, right? So mainly this mobile computing, it is a technology allowing all the data, videos, okay, voice from one device to the another device, right? That is a wireless, right? So this mobile computing is using this mobile computings here, we can say that this we can communicate with the different networks easily, okay, by moving, by sitting, by placing it anywhere. We can switch with the help of this mobile, right? We can connect to the any network and can utilize the services, right? So this mobile computing, what is this definition means? Its ability is to compute, okay, its ability is to compute remotely while on the move. It can be accessed at any place, any time, anywhere, okay, so that remotely we can access all the services and can communicate to the different networks by anywhere, anytime, any place, any locations, right? So that in that way they can communicate with the different devices and the different networks, right? So here whenever we are going to be using examples like video calls, conferencings, okay, example for that, right? Applications that people are going to be referring and using and placing all the existing voice communications on the mobile phones, right? So it will be providing a mobile communication, right? Mobile hardware will be there, mobile softwares will be there. With the help of these three things, here we are going to be communicating with each other and utilizing the services, right? So here mainly we can say that this mobile computing, here entire computing can be done in the mobile instead of desktop or a system. Entire computing can be done on this mobile, right? So it is not that much easy. If I want to type a program, if I want to execute any task in that, it will become a typical to me, right? Just for communication or sending a voice information, or I want to interact with any other different network, so that it will be possible for that, right? So there are the few challenges in this mobile computing. So first of all, constrained environment, right? Means limited amount of battery will be there, okay, limited amount of battery will be there, we have to charge it, we have to use it, right? And RAM also, and memory size also, right? Display. And in this memory will be there, we can use cloud database also to store our mails, data, everything, whatever. With the help of internet, we are going to be logging and utilizing the cloud services, right? So these all will be a limited form, right? So that is one of the challenge, right? So limited power, small display, okay, display problems will be there. And computing facilities, right? I have to run any application or a program, or I want to host anything, okay, that will computing facility, this is also one of the challenge. Okay, portable, I can carry to any place, right? So and next challenge is highly interactive, I can interact with anyone, with any network, okay, by sitting at any place or any location, I can easily interact to this other networks, right? So this mobile computing, mainly a computing mechanisms, okay, it needs a separate softwares for this mobile computing. Definitely they need a separate operating systems, okay. In this mobile we can't install a Windows, Red Hats, okay, we can't run a programs in that, okay. So mainly in this mobile computing, here we are going to be using Android, iOS, right? These all applications we are using. With the help of that, okay, this iOS Android applications, they are acting as a middleware, ma. They are acting as a middleware, and they are going to be playing an important role, and they are going to be providing a communication from one network to the another network, right? So yeah, so this mobile computing mainly here it will be, means we can do entire computing, but it is not that much easy as we are thinking, right? Just it is a portable device so that we can carry to any place, okay, any location at any time, right? So like that it will be going to be providing the services to the user. And this mobile computing, it consists of three tier architecture, ma. Okay, it consists of three tier architecture. Means what it will be doing means will show the diagram so that easily you can understand. Okay, are you able to see this diagram here? Okay, it is a three tier architecture, ma, how this mobile computing is working, right? So here we are the users, okay, here we are the users. With the help of this interface we are going to be connecting to this middleware. Okay, with the help of this middleware means network access will be there. Okay, different network access is going to be connecting to the middleware servers. Okay, simply we can call it as a process management, or we can say that it is a business logic, right? So whenever I want to perform any call or I want to interact with any other thing, so definitely there will be a middleware. It will be identifying the network access and will be processing to that particular network, right? If user want to store or if he want to use any database, or okay, at that time it will be providing repositories, directory, or simply data where, okay, so that user can store their data. So this middleware is going to be playing as a playing has a major role for all the mobile communications. Okay, it is acting as like a interface. Okay, interface, so that every user have to operate interoperability, and they are connecting to the different networks and they are going to be using, right? So this UI, user interface, we can say that it is a user view. Okay, user view it is, right? This middleware and this all are the interfaces to connect with the different networks, and they can utilize the services, right? So like this mobile computing means here, what we are saying, the definition of this mobile computing, ma, its ability, okay, its ability to compute remotely, okay, while I am on the move or walk or sleep or anything, okay, in which position also I can access that all things, okay, that all services at anywhere, any place, any location, any time, right? So this is about the mobile computing, right? If you people are having any doubt in this, you can ask, right?